actually, after the Business Council, this has become more official. We are connecting companies with relevant companies in the UAE. We have very close relationships with other business council of the Dubai chambers. So we will organize some joint committees, industry specific. Let's say if Ravatar want to meet any relevant companies that are operating here in the UAE, we can arrange through other business councils and we can arrange meetings. Basically, we are a networking platform. So we try to connect companies and people together to do business. Our main purpose is to enhance the business relationships between UAE and Cyprus by connecting companies either from the UAE to Cyprus or from Cyprus to the UAE. Also, we want to bring together the business community, the Cypriot business community here in the UAE, and create synergies between them. There are currently 2,000 Cypriot individuals working in the UAE officially. These individuals, have very key positions in very large companies. So we're trying to bring people together, enhance the business transactions between them, create synergies. And we are organizing also committees. These committees will be formed by members of the council who are not part of the board of the directors. So anyone that wants to contribute, he can become or she can become member of these committees. These committees have different themes, different industries. They are industry specific. We have technology innovation, we have financial services, we have property and real estate, we have healthcare, we have energy, and some other committees. So you are welcome to join if you want to contribute to doing business with the Cyprus Business Council. We are here to assist, so we encourage you to become members. You can do it online through our website. And after you become members and you pay your very, very minimum membership fee, then you are part of our family and we can sit down with you and discuss with you how we can assist you in connecting you with other companies here in the UAE. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Janos, for this introduction. So yes, I can confirm that we are moving in two different directions, let's say, one more policy-oriented through our Cyprus Trade Center, and of course, Business Council, which are the people here and they know more companies and more connections. So whenever you feel more comfortable, and this is also for Ravatar to assist. So we are going to our main presentation today. So we have Mr. Ruslan Sinteski, which is the CEO. This is the CEO of the Ravatar. So Ravatar by Cyber Limited is a Cyprus-based artificial intelligence company specializing in interactive AI avatars or digital humans, let's say, for business, institutional, and educational applications. Its Genesis AI Avatar Studio allows organizations to create and deploy highly realistic multi-language avatars that combine real-time conversions, AI agents, voice technology, large language models, and enterprise knowledge. The platform supports fully body and native 4K rendering that can operate across websites. I will not talk a lot about it, just to inform you because Mr. Ruslan will explain this in more details. So it's my pleasure to welcome Ruslan Sinteski, founder and CEO of Ravatar, and an experienced technology entrepreneur. Mr. Ruslan has a long experience in different infrastructures from cloud to data acquisition and real-time processing systems. And now through Ravatar, Ruslan is applying the same principle of technology control and data and artificial intelligence. Ravatar develops hyper-realistic interactive AI avatars that can talk, listen. We have seen demo in GITEX a few years ago and operate around the clock. So, Mr. Ruslan, you have the floor.
George, thank you so much for introduction. Thank you for inviting to this webinar. and thank you everybody for joining this session. So today we will talk about artificial intelligence, specifically about interactive avatars and how this technology can be applied in different verticals, different businesses. So let's begin. Cyberleo is a Cyprus-based company. And as I mentioned, we are focusing on interactive AI avatar platform. So we work globally with different companies all around the globe, and we are targeting B2B. So with healthcare, like public education services, public sector service education, live events a lot, and fintech. So we have a strong team behind the product. I'm serial entrepreneur, I'm Java champion, so I'm technical, marketing and business oriented. And we also have a great CTO who is product oriented, Vadim Lobzakov, and Oleg Abershin, CBDO, who has strong experience in SaaS marketing. So Oleg joined our webinar today as well. And the team is located mostly in Europe, across different countries. We are a remote first company. So I want to thanks to Cyprus Trade Center Dubai and Ministry of Energy and Commerce and Industry for this support, for giving us this opportunity to present our product. And I want to give like couple words like why actually we are here in Cyprus, because like first of all, Cyprus is very safe place. I've been in different countries and I can compare. So it's you can walk, during the evening time without no problems. So great food, great people, and perfect weather, and most important, smart rules for IT companies. So you can apply for intellectual property box, and you can get the tax advantages and reinvest in your company. So, and it attracted a lot of IT companies, as I know. I know many other entrepreneurs who migrated to Cyprus. But now let's talk about avatars, about the business. And first of all, let's understand and discuss the evolution of human communication. For centuries, we sent letters to each other, right? And it took weeks to arrive. And later, when electricity came, the distance collapsed to calls, when we be able to talk to each other faster. And during the recent time, video calls appeared, and people were able to meet each other like kind of face to face. So, and it extended the experience of communication significantly. So, same evolution AI is working right now. So, at the beginning, we typed to it, right? We sent text messages. Later, we started to talk to it. You can communicate through voice, and yet there is an absent layer for visual communication. So there are some solutions already on the market, but the problem is not solved yet. But it's obvious that visual communication extends this experience, and it provides like complete experience at the end. So this is a problem we are solving actually, right? And we develop human-facing interface layer for AI systems. And it sits between customers or the company employees and AI systems. So you can connect the face and body to different AI agents, LLMs, CRMs, and internal APIs. So AI avatars look photorealistic. We use 3D technology. We can scan like human, like 360, and we can provide like multilingual support. It has like natural voice and lip sync, and we also provide like movements, so by hands, gestures, mimics, and we can connect this to your knowledge base, right? And we can fine tune for a specific use case, is it healthcare, fintech, let's say, like, or public sector. And like it can serve high volume of requests in real time. So it's easier to provide personalized experience without hiring people. And again, like it's not for replacing people, it's for extending existing services to providing better support or better quality. So we offer our avatars across different channels. So it's omni-channel solution. specifically like mobile web, which is standard, right? But it's also very important. We offer full body avatars inside info kiosk and holographic displays. It's a new kind of displays where you can see like full body standing inside and talking to you in real time. So it's very nice and it's very popular. It's getting a lot of attention nowadays. So why AI now? I mean, why avatars now? Because like AI penetrated almost every industry. You probably feel it on yourself, right? Like so everywhere is AI now, and so technology is ready, market is ready, but the face and body layer is still missing. Like so we're trying to resolve this problem. And we have different use cases, like different sectors. I will walk through some of them. So presentation is long, but I will just catch some slides and some slides will skip, but you will be able to get this presentation after the session. So AI avatars in healthcare, it's kind of directions where they can help. It's patients intake, information collection, virtual nurses, educational and training courses as well, and appointment coordination. So it's obvious directions where avatars can bring immediate advantages and benefits. And yeah, let's see like a short demo of an avatar talking to a human.
I cannot hear the sound. I don't know if the rest people.
Okay, I apologize. Let me reshare. Let me reshare because like I need to share it a little bit different way. Thank you for giving the notice.
Yes.
Share sound. Yeah, share sound. Okay, it should be good.
Hello.
Do you hear now?
Yes. Okay.
Okay.
Hello, I'm Lara, your AI patient assistant, and I'll help you get started with your visit. May I have your full name, please?
John Miller,
Thank you, John. What is your date of birth?
August 19, 2000.
Thank you. How can I help you?
I've been feeling unwell. I've had fever and a sore throat for the past 3 days.
Understood. Just to confirm, you're experiencing a fever and a sore throat, and the symptoms started 3 days ago. Is that correct?
Yes.
Thank you. Based on your symptoms, a blood test is recommended before seeing a physician. Would you like me to schedule that for you now?
Yes.
The next available blood test appointment is at 10:30 a.m. today. After that, I can schedule you with the physician. Would you like to proceed with this appointment?
Sure.
You're scheduled for a blood test at 10:30 a.m. The earliest available appointment is at 11:45 a.m. today with Dr. Silver. Would you like me to reserve this time?
Yes.
Your appointment has been scheduled. Here are your next steps. Proceed to the lab at 10:30 a.m. for your blood test. Return to the waiting area afterward. Your doctor will see you at 11:45 a.m. If you have any questions or need assistance, I'm here to help.
So that was first part, let's say, like, and then we have like follow-up demo. Like I will skip it now, but the guy like recover it, like, and they discuss like next steps, like so, and it's a very simple demo. So avatars can do very complicated things, like if it's connected to healthcare systems, like it can get data about the patient in real time, like and adjust conversation according to the existing information. So yeah, now avatars in finance similar can be related to customer onboarding and services guidance, products explanation, advisory support, and also it can be used for training purposes. So we see a lot of training. It's kind of big thing with avatars because like you can train many new employees easily, much easily and more cost efficient way, and so on. Like so, we have an example of our avatar was placed inside Luxembourg House of Financial Technologies. So this is Grand Duke, Prime Minister and Minister of Finance talking to our avatar in that hub. So again, like it was big news all around Luxembourg, and yeah, it's an honor for us. So now, like government, smart nation, public services, same like citizens and resident related services, kind of guiding people how to renew driver license or like passport ID, and yeah, providing information about nice things to do in the city, right? Like so for tourists and public awareness and national campaigns. So we had a small pilot with Capgemini in Abu Dhabi. We created AI government assistant lady, which represents local nation, let's say, like so. And yeah, it's nice. It was nice. It was great cooperation. So now digital human interfaces for hospitality, guest concierge services, right? When you come to hotel, so avatars can provide you check-in, check-out, provide you information about restaurants, locations, and transportation services, and so on. We have a great example of an avatar used for dinner experience. It was Pullman Exchange in London, invited journalists, and they offered next level of kitchen. It's molecular kitchen, 3D printed, and with kitchen food from jellyfish. And they wanted Avatar to present this food, and it was a great experience. We used advanced holographic technologies here. You can see like it's a big screen, and Avatar was coming to the station, interacting with people in real time. You see like everyone is taking photos, like they never saw something like this before. Like it was surprising, this experience for them, and you can see like Avatar was able to interact with humans, and sometimes Avatar did not like what humans said. You see like kind of concerning what's going on. Yeah, like so, and yeah, everyone was happy, and we got very good feedback. That's another example of Avatar as a concierge service at check-in inside Iden Hotel in Denmark. So training and human relations for HR, for onboarding, for leadership communication, role play simulations, and so on. We have an example with PwC. They ordered 3 avatars to train their partners at internal event, let's say. Yeah. So, for example, Avatar was given the role of tax advisor, and it was kind of simulation of specific use case. And yeah, now interactive exhibitions, avatars are perfect for new kind of experience inside museums and exhibitions because you can recreate, digitally resurrect, I would say, historical figures, gives them knowledge, gives them voice, and enable them to communicate with visitors. And we recreated multiple historical figures already: Leonardo da Vinci, Nikola Tesla, Alan Turing, Howard Carter, and even more. And that's an example of Howard Carter, who is famous archaeologist who found Tomb of Tutankhamun. It's placed in the United States in museum, Elliott Museum in the United States. So Capgemini brand ambassador. We used Leonardo da Vinci as brand ambassador for Capgemini. It was placed at Viva Tech Technology event in Paris, and as you can see, like the queue was huge. Like to talk to this avatar, experience was great. Also, a little bit about our team. Like, so we are partnering with Intel to bring technology, like AI technology, to the edge, so which can be deployed inside air-gapped deployments without dependency on internet, which is very important today. Like when you go to exhibition, the internet is always overloaded. You want to give better experience, like, and our avatars do not depend on the internet. Also, it's very important for security reasons. For some regulated industries, like you just don't want to be connected to internet. So yeah, like, and it's a confirmation that Intel endorsed us, let's say, like, so we cooperate together. We also can work with on top of different cloud vendors. We cooperate with Google. We appreciate their assistance and support. They provided infrastructure for us, specifically at early stages. We were able to progress faster. And so Google is one of preferred cloud environments for us, and they also have certifications for different industries. So it's our attraction. I will skip it. We have great names. Our advantages, it's a turnkey solution, so we can deploy on top of your existing infrastructure. I mean, inside the private cloud, specifically related to GCC region, because the customers want to have their data inside the country, and we do satisfy this requirement. So our Ravatar was designed from the beginning to offer secure on-premise deployments. And and again, it's a full turnkey solution. As I mentioned, on cloud or premise. And why Cyprus? Again, so Cyprus is great for our company because it's a good bridge between GCC and the Middle East and Africa. And so we can offer solution to satisfy data sovereignty requirement. And it's a nice country in general, guys. So I love Cyprus personally. So please come. We have different business packages. So this is more for cloud-based, and this is for on-premise deployments. So on-premise deployments starts higher because it's more complicated, let's say, but for regulated industries, it's what people need. And we have a lot of great feedback from our customers. Customers are coming back and they're requesting more. So feel free to review this feedback on Google Map. We have our dot there. That's, I believe, in short. So if you have a pilot, let's say, if you have an opportunity for Avatar, so what should be the next step, right? So just reach out to us. We will talk to you and collect your requirements, the needs, understand the needs, and identify the best initial use case to start, and then plan small POC, proof of concept, and walk with you through this together, achieve success, and then go to the next phase. So this is usually how we work with our companies. We start small and then we scale big. That's it. Thank you so much for your attention, and I hope it was informative for you. If you have any questions, please let me know.
Many thanks, Ruslan, for keeping the presentation in time. Before I give the floor to any of the audience, if they have any questions, just a quick question for me. How long it will take for you to implement a project? Let's say we want this for our office to put it in an exhibition. How long it will take to train your model and have an avatar ready for the next exhibition, let's say?
Thank you for the question. So exhibitions is one of our core expertise and experience. So we delivered many avatars for different events already. So it's very straightforward today, so because technology is ready, it's a turnkey solution. So we will talk to you, identify the use case, how you want avatar to be present. Is it a stock avatar or custom avatar? What kind of knowledge should we upload? Obviously, about the company or about the department, right? But maybe you want something extra, let's say, and then we identify, do you want to display it inside the advanced holographic display or inside the info kiosk or just inside the laptop, let's say, and then collecting these requirements, we will build a roadmap. Usually it takes from 1 to 2 weeks if we collaborate. So it's not something which takes too much effort. However, if you want to have a holographic display, then it takes a little bit longer to plan delivery. And if you want to buy, so we need to bring it to the country, or if you want to rent it, we need to reserve and secure device for you. So if you're thinking about advanced displays, better at least 1 month before the event. 2 months, you will get better price because cost for delivery will be less. let's say, like, last minute deals, they're always like kind of a little bit more expensive, but implementation phase from 1 week to 2 weeks. So training for knowledge training, it's quite straightforward today. Voice, easy, let's say, like we need to clarify like what is the visual appearance, maybe customize a little bit, like add your logo, like, or like branding, So, but in average, it's like about 2 weeks.
Okay, so you can take all the information, let's say, from our website, the LinkedIn, Facebook, whatever is public available, so we don't have a lot of time to spend with you, and then you
Absolutely.
present us something, and we continue from there, let's say.
Absolutely, yeah. So it's kind of iterative progress. So we get data, upload, we create first version, give you to try. We say like we like it or we want to adjust something. We adjust and then we go live.
Okay, great. Thank you very much. I don't know if anyone else from the floor have any questions. I think the presentation was very clear. So we contact you, everybody that wants to contact you through the email, correct?
Yes, so you can see my mail here. So please feel free to send to info@ravatar.com. I personally read this email as well. So, and yeah, send your questions or proposals, and we will be happy to consider collaboration.
Thank you. Janos, you want to raise a
Yes.
question as well? Yes.
Yes, just a question to Razvan. I understand that this is a very competitive environment nowadays, and that there are other companies who offer the same services and the same product as Ravatar. So why should someone come to Ravatar to get this service and not go to the other companies? What differentiates you compared to your competition, Razvan?
It's a very good question. Thank you so much. So let me bring it back again. Wait a second. Yeah, one second. So first of all, the companies that operate in this space, yeah, there are huge companies like Heijen, Synthesia. They're like more than billion, let's say, revenue already. And the problem with these companies, so they are cloud-based, like, so you can stream from the cloud only. It's unlikely suitable for companies that are located inside GCC region, like, so it's nice for trials, it's nice for kind of prototyping, but when it comes to production, they just don't offer on-premise deployment. So, and that's one thing. And second thing, so they focus more like on half body, face only, while we do like full body and with movements, hands movements, like it's very important if you want to have like full experience because body language, let's say, and also we integrated with full-size devices like holographic displays, info kiosk, like, so you will get like full body avatar in a shop, like, or in a lobby. So we also, again, like as I mentioned, we are targeting kind of regulated environments, so we can deploy everything inside your environment and work with your team. We are much more agile, I would say, much more flexible, more cost efficient. Also, money is important here, so we can give you a special deal, talk to you and have a like ramp up plan, let's say. And we just also very important, we provide excellent service. So you can come to our point on Google Map and just read the feedback. Like, so, and I believe service is very important component of all this. Like, we have strong team that cares about customer experience, that cares about our relations. So that's in short.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Thank you again, Ruslan, for this nice presentation. Thank you, everybody, for joining. And as I see no more questions from the floor, just to inform everybody that our next webinar will be around in September with InfoCredit Company. Thank you again, everybody, for joining. Thank you, Ruslan and the team, for the excellent presentation. And have a nice summer holidays for all of you.
Thank you, everybody.
Thank
Have a
you.
great day.
Bye.
And yeah, bye-bye.